This is an essential skill for lifting heavy objects. First, lay the rope flat under the object, then connect the two ends on both sides. Once connected, cross the two ropes together. After crossing, a knot point is formed. Enlarge and separate this knot, then slip the upper part of it over the top of the heavy object. Distribute the rope evenly and tighten it. After tightening, take the remaining rope end on top, fold it in half, while the other end is wrapped around. After one full turn, pull the other rope end through the bottom of its own loop to form double loops, then insert a lever directly through them. Insert the lever clockwise through the two loops and arrange the knot neatly. Although the knot may look loose, once under tension it becomes extremely secure. This allows heavy objects to be lifted without loosening or coming undone. After lifting is finished, simply remove the lever and give the rope a quick shake. The knot comes undone easily, making it very convenient.